Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Bluetooth speaker to your PS5. First, understand that the PS5 does not natively support Bluetooth audio devices like speakers or headphones. To bridge this gap, you'll need a third-party Bluetooth audio adapter. Make sure your chosen adapter is fully charged or properly powered before you begin. This small device will be the key to enjoying your game audio through your preferred speaker. Once you have your adapter ready, plug it into an available USB port on your PS5. Next, activate the pairing mode on your Bluetooth speaker. This usually involves pressing and holding a specific button until an indicator light flashes. Your Bluetooth adapter will then begin scanning for discoverable devices. Keep your speaker close to the adapter during this process to ensure a strong connection. After a moment, your adapter's indicator light should change, confirming a successful connection with your speaker. Now, on your PS5, go to the sound settings. Under Audio Output, you'll need to select the USB headset option, which represents your connected Bluetooth adapter. This ensures all game audio is routed through the adapter to your speaker, enhancing your gaming experience. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your PS5 and your Bluetooth speaker. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve connection problems. Also, consult your adapter's manual for any specific pairing steps or troubleshooting tips unique to that device. Remember, a stable connection provides the best audio. And hey, for more great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.